People are already talking a lot about the new 2025 Peugeot 408 SUV, which is a very exciting car. As of now, we know the following about it, even though it won't be available until sometime in 2024. The design. With its sleek look of a fastback and the usefulness of an SUV, the 408 has a shape that is both unique and striking. Think of a Peugeot 308 that has been stretched out and given the DNA of a tough SUV. Sharp headlights and a big grille are typical of the brand, and the car has a dynamic look thanks to its sloping roofline and strong fenders. To finish off the SUV look, you can expect stylish metal wheels and strong cladding. The inside. The 408 offers a high-end and high-tech cabin on the inside. The main feature is Peugeot's famous iCockpit layout, which has a small steering wheel below, a digital instrument cluster and a touchscreen multimedia system in the middle. The 408 should be a nice place to spend time because it is made of good materials and has been designed with usability in mind. Also, space is important, so both front and back riders have plenty of legroom and headroom. How it works. Peugeot gives you a choice of different powertrains for the 408, such as a fuel engine that is 1.2 liters and turbocharged, with 130 horsepower. There are two plug-in hybrid models, one with 180 horsepower and the other with 225 horsepower. The electric range is up to 41 miles. In 2024, there will also likely be a fully electric E408 type. Every engine will have an 8-speed automatic transmission, and all plug-in hybrid cars will have a fast-charging port built in. What it has. Inside the 408 will be the newest and best in car technology, such as with a wide sunroof, a head-up screen, several functions that help the driver, such as adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, and automatic emergency braking. Peugeot's newest tools for connecting, such as Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. When and how much it will cost. As we already said, the 2025 Peugeot 408 SUV should come out sometime in late 2024. It hasn't been priced yet, but you can expect it to be competitive with other SUVs in the same class. The 2025 Peugeot 408 SUV seems like a good addition to the Peugeot range as a whole. Its sleek look, roomy interior, and cutting-edge technology make it a great choice for people who want a useful and luxurious SUV.